Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. So here we have this amazing project that we started last year, was it on August or when? So imefikia kwa stima. So tumekuja kufanya interior work tuone ya stima venye itakuwa. So wacha tuwape an empty house tour for this amazing project. So here is the front house part, in the front part ya nyumba venye unaiona hivi, wametuwekea hapa four amazing pillars. So molding sasa unaangalia venye zimefanywa done perfectly, hata pia mtu wa rangi hajatuangusha. So angalia this pillar 1, even though the work is not yet done completely, but that's easy, ni touches tu, after then yatakuja kumalizia. So this is pillar 3. This is pillar 4, done perfectly. Ukiangalia pia kwenda huko juu iko sawa sana. So okay, pia hapa venye unaiona hii entrance watakuja kuweka tiles venye hii iko hivi. Watakuja waweke tiles vizuri, itokee somewhere. Sasa unaona bado hawajaweka tiles, pia waka provide hapo mali in case of wheelchair mtu anaweza kupitia access through there. So huko watakuja waweke tiles. Bado project is not yet complete. It's almost 80% complete. So huku hii ndio dirisha yetu ya jikoni. Hii venye unaona plumbing work bado hawajakuja kumalizia. Hii ni dirisha sitting. So huku ni kuingia kwa jikoni. Jikoni kuia pia tukaiwekea some beautiful pillars. They are 3 in number. So as you can see ndio hizo. So unaona venye huku hizi tiles zimewekwa hivi vizuri hivi, is the same way venye watafanya huko mbele. So ukiangalia venye ziko, ndio sio safi sana, but wata clean up and then tutaona. So this is the venye watafanya at the front part of the house. So ukiangalia perfectly done. So if you want a job like this, you can just contact us and then we can do it perfectly. Without you get the value of your own money. So and then kuna those people wenye wanakaa DM wanataka wajengewe nyumba. Huwezi kuja tu from just nowhere and then unaniambia ati unataka kujengewa nyumba, ati uende upime estimate nini. You must follow the procedure first. Lazima pia ulipe kitu kidogo. Hakuna venye naweza maybe that day nikuje nipime nyumba, kila kitu ifanyike, nikupatie BQ nini, and then ukue tu ulikuwa una test uone nani mwenye ako at least nani mwenye ako cheap. So mimi nataka kitu kishua. Ukitupea kazi tupe ukijua tutafanya kazi mzuri kama hivi venye unaona hii. Si ati wewe unatuambia wewe enda pima tu nyumba alafu tutaongea baadaye. Okay, so pia lazima ukisema unatuma pia ya transport nini. Juu hatuwezi toka hivi penye tuko tuende huko and then tupate maybe pia ukuwa serious, your funding haukuwa fit, that much fit. So unaona utakuwa umetwaste pakubwa sana. So ukikuja DM ukitaka kujengea nyumba, kama uko na interest unaweza sema tu, ukuje useme iko hivi na hivi, nataka nijengee nyumba na nilikuwa nataka nione estimate inaweza ingia gani. Okay, pia wewe unaweza tuma tu kidogo juu ni masomo ya mtu ulikuwa umeifanyia.
So this is our corridor, like you can see. It has, so we managed to install a wall bracket of which there are 3, downlight, snake light, a 4-plate chandelier, a hanging rose at the center of our house. So on the other side, this is our sitting room. We managed to install even our wall brackets, chandelier like you can see over there, a modern fan, downlights, snake light, and even our TV stand like you can see there. So this TV stand, it's made up of gypsum only. It's not the modern one, but I think this is so we went with the gypsum work, gypsum TV stand. So this is the sitting room, guys. It's so spacious. And then this is our modern fan. Like you can see, it's not as the same as the other one. It's like an air condition. So this is the chandelier. You can connect it. It has a Bluetooth option or a USB option. So I will let you to the first bedroom, of which our first bedroom we went with the ceiling design. Like you can see over there, we installed our normal fan. At the center we went with our hanging rose. At the end we went with the downlights and the snake light. So on the other side, this is our kitchen. We all managed to install our wardrobes, our kitchen level, high level and low level, like you can see over there. So the kitchen, it's finished. Only plumbing work, I think it's only remaining to fix the tap over there. So I will let you to the next bedroom. So this is the next bedroom. Like you can see, it's of same design, same size with the first one. And then the interior design of for the ceiling is of different. Like you can see, we have installed snake light, down lights in the centerpiece. And then these are wardrobes that will, the one who will be using this house will be used, it will be used to facilitate his own clothes, to keep his or her own clothes on this closet. So on the other hand, we have a toilet, let's say that is the like a brushing tooth area, like you can see over there, and then the sink. And then on the other side, that is the public toilet, of which we have installed all the plumbing work. So the only thing that is remaining, it's only testing for our equipment, so as to know how it's if it is working. This is the control of this house. Like you can see, it's fully arranged according to the current rating for this house. So this is the master bedroom, guys. Like you can see, it's quite spacious. It has, we managed to install even our modern, like you can see, that is a, a, a place for our bed that will come and fit there. We installed our wall brackets, our downlights, our 4-plate chandelier, like you can see over there, so as to have that beauty in our master bedroom. Guys, it's quite spacious, like you can see over there. So I think we have done anything that we think. We even install our sliding windows on all our windows, on our windows. And then that is the modern fan that is on our center for our beds. So on the other hand, so this is the wardrobes. Like you can see, it's even quite big. So, and then this is the toilet that whoever will be using this is only from the master bedroom. Obviously, I told you we have done everything. Like you can see, that is the dressing mirror. We have already done it. And then the tiling, even everything, it's already done. So guys, continue subscribing.